Math 3 Final Benchmark, question 36. Which would best be studied using an experiment but not an observational study? All right, so which would not be? All right, a researcher wants to determine the effect of a new allergy medication by randomly dividing study patients into two groups. That sounds like an experiment, with only one group receiving the new allergy medication. So that sounds like our answer. A researcher wants to determine the best-selling genre of audiobooks. So you could do that by observation study. A researcher wants to determine the average amount an individual spends on gas. You could also observe that to find that out. A researcher wants to determine if there is a correlation between the amount of precipitation and plant growth by measuring the rainfall and plant growth for a month. So again, that is something you could use as an experiment or an observational study. So the only one which would best be studied with an experiment and not observational study, the fact that they want to put groups or patients into two groups and then give one a medication and then the other would not, you couldn't observe something if you were assigning a medication. So for number 36, the best answer is A.